Alright, the furnace is running, and this is my gas meter. And as you can hear, every 6 seconds we get a big click like that, maybe every 5 seconds. Take a look at the meter itself. You can sort of see that needle jolt a little bit every time it clicks. It's hard to exactly pinpoint where inside the box it's happening, but it's definitely coming from the meter here. At this point, the next step is going to be to call the gas company. The gas company is going to set up an appointment for a technician to come out and take a look. Once the tech comes out, they're either going to rebuild or replace the meter on the spot or set up a second appointment where they know that they're going to have to do that. In my case, I was lucky enough to have him replace the meter on the spot. Alright, and now we have a new meter.